Hey guys, John with American Window Concepts. I am going to show you how to replace the mole hair weather stripping on a sliding window system. I'm going to show you the best way that I know how, that I've done it in the past through all the service work I've had in my history. And this works for not just Anlin, but Milgard and Pella, and any vinyl window, like I said, that has this type of weather stripping. Triple fin mole hair weather stripping. Here's the replacement piece. And I've already pre-cut it. These things are not the easiest to get out. You know, you have a chisel, you have a putty knife, you have a box cutter, a pair of dikes, needle nose pliers. These are just what I had on hand, but you know, any old pliers is gonna be fine. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work with this one here, is I'm gonna take a razor, because this channel here isn't going to want it to just pull straight out. It's gonna be pretty hard to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this all the way down from one side to the other, and the intent here is to split that piece there and make it easier to pull it out. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to push down and I'm going to start sliding it down. Okay, be careful not to cut yourself. Now I'll go in here and I'm going to try to see if I can make it come out. Doesn't seem like it wants to, so I'll start down here. See if I can get this piece to come out. There it goes. Okay, gotta keep working at it. Like I said, it's not gonna come out easy. Okay, there we go. So here is in two pieces. Okay, grab it, pull it out. After you've done that, here is your little channel unharmed, right? There's no damage here whatsoever. And now you're like, well, how in the heck am I gonna put this inside here? Am I gonna be able to wedge it in? You could, but if you did that, it's gonna take you forever and a day. So here's what I do. Just take a drill. This is an impact, but you can use this, you can use a drill, whatever you have. And I'm going to make a hole and route out a little circle here, close to the edge, but not on the edge. So what I'll do is I'll go here. Okay. All right, so now what we've made is a nice little area for the new weather stripping flat channel to slide in and all the way to the other side, okay? So check this out. Okay, that's in, and you just feed it over. Look at how easy that is, okay? So like I said before, we're a little long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look to see where does this need to get cut. Right about here. And then give it the old cut. Right, there we go. So that's gone. Now all I need to do is I'm going to feed it in right about where that hole is, and I'm going to feed it in a little further, push down, and in. So now when the window is sliding back and forth, it's not gonna wanna come out. So I put the hole, you know, maybe a half of an inch away from the corner. You feed it all the way in, you push a little harder because it'll give a little bit more, and then you push down and then you straighten it out. That way this thing will not come out, right? So you can slide it all day, every day, and this will not pop back out again. Sometimes, you know, if this thing is fighting you, you may need an extra tool or two to try to pry that thing out, because these things may not want to come out as easy as what I just showed. You know, many years experience doing this, so for me it's not a big deal replacing these, but the video is to show you that you too can do it and what you might need to get it done. Okay guys, well that is it in a nutshell. If you guys have any other tricks that you know of, put them in the comment section for others to read and hopefully use, but this is my way of doing this. Hopefully it helps. Have a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.